Supply of research and development services, big hue and cry. You have seen recently so-called notices of hefty amount is being issued to IIT for undertaking research and development services. As per interpretation, these so-called notices are being issued, the GST leviable, and this is the big subject matter of dispute. But nevertheless, now GST Council, in 54th GST Council meeting, they have recommended. What they have recommended, they are going to exempt supply of research and development services either by government entity or a research association, university, college, or other institution notified under clause Roman 2 or Roman 3 of subsection 1 of section 35 of Income Tax Act 1961, either using government or private grant. So what was the issue? Let me first tell you so that you get a brief background. These institutions were getting a grant for undertaking research and development services. Question was whether GST leviable. And it was disputed on majorly. There is no quid pro quo. Because government grant given to the institution, they are only undertaking research and development, assignment services for general public, for the benefit. It is going to help the general public. It is for sovereignty function. Maybe there are lot many, assignment, lot many, research work is being undertaken for the wider, advantage, and which is going to help to the general public. So there's no quid pro quo. But now, Honorable Finance Minister during the press conference has said whether there is quid pro quo or no quid pro quo, no GST exempted on research and development services. If it is being undertaken by these institutions, and this grant either coming from the government side or from the private side, both are going to be exempted. Well done. Second line, past demand is going to be regularized as its wage basis. Simple. If you are under litigation, you are being relieved. Nothing will fall back on your head. But if you have paid the taxes, then you will not be refunded. I'm asking one simple question. When there is no quid pro quo, no GST, no supply. If there's no GST, if GST being paid, can you really collect that GST? Will it not be termed without authority of law in terms of Article 265 to the Constitution of India? And why this? I am always questioning myself that compliant taxpayer versus non-compliant taxpayer. You're regularizing, well done, interpretation. But question comes, why such dispute when those disputes are so widely understood? But nevertheless, this is the subject matter for different level of discussion. So I'm just pausing myself, not extending my discussion. But this is again, if it is exempted, you can't levy GST. If it is GST paid for some either or region, can you really keep this money? Will it not be without authority of law in terms of Article 265 to the Constitution of India? I'm saying that this is another subject matter boiling up for the litigation reaching to the Supreme Court. Nevertheless, now they're saying if these institutions are registered under clause Roman 2 and Roman 3 of subsection 1 of section 35 of Income Tax Act. So you need to really look at this section 35 subsection 1 Roman 2. And Roman 2 is saying that they are going to provide deduction for such contribution in respect of expenditure on scientific research, an amount equal to be 1 and 1.5 times of any sum paid to research association. which has its object undertaking of scientific research, or to a university, college, other institution to be used for scientific research. I'm only highlighting attention that whenever we are saying that such university, college, other institution, then they must be notified under clauses Roman 2 and Roman 3 of section 35, subsection 1 of IT Act. So you have to really look at whether they are enjoying this benefit or not. If not, then again, another way to look at this transaction.